more sister who wants to convert to Islam.
Sheikhna. Can the sister hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, my sister, you declare after me. You ready?
Yes.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illa
Allah
Allah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammad
abduhu
abduhu
wa
wa
rasuluh.
rasulullah.
I bear witness
I bear witness
there is none worthy of worship
that there's none worthy of worship
besides Allah,
besides Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that Muhammad,
that Muhammad,
may peace be upon him,
may peace be upon him,
is his worshipper,
is his worshipper
final messenger.
and final messenger.
Barakallah feekum, mashallah, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. I just want to say one.
Wait, tell him we not need another one. Another one. Who's next?
I just want to say one thing that is very, very important that I always say to those who have declared their shahada. Islam is a knowledge-based religion. The more you know about it, the more you will love it. The less you know, the more you will dwindle. Remember that. So if you want to love this deen, you need to learn it as much as you can. Make an effort. And if you don't know much, a year from now, you will be dwindling. So some of us who might have been Muslim for long and maybe born Muslim, when we don't know much about the faith, we dwindle. We need to learn, and that is one of the first steps. Then we will be able to put into practice and so on. May Allah grant us all acceptance. Like I say, Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.